How to fix volume too low on your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu. Then go to settings. After that, go to system, go to sound. Now scroll down and then go to volume and make sure it is set to 100 or higher than you want. Go to volume mixer and from here make sure all these are set to 100%. So that should fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.